There's a reason why I've been alone all this time. I'm comfortable that way. And I think it would just be a lot easier if we forgot everything that happened and I just left.
Looking like that, you don't know what you do. Crushing so hard, might be in love with you. On my bully shit, wanna fuck with you. So what's up, huh? Shorty, sup with you. Looking like that, you don't know what you do. Crushing so hard, might be in love with you. On my bully shit, wanna fuck with you. So what's up, huh? Shorty, sup with you. Yeah, at least that's how I approached her. At our friend's house party, Henny in the soda. She was hard to reach like pennies in the sofa. Now she can't get enough panties in the sofa. She in the bathrobe lighting up wearing loafers. Though I spoil her, she never been a freeloader. Got a job, goes to school and sees fam. She wanna ride or die and I'm the man. A true warrior girl, I'm He-Man. She wanna see ambition, she wanna see plans, so she could be submissive and still be glad. To feel so good about behaving so bad. Being certain about me really brings out your freak. Together we'll build, make a meal like me. And if I get you pregnant, I ain't running to the streets. We're meant to be together, you're everything to me. Looking like that, you don't know what you do. Crushing so hard, might be in love with you. On my bully shit, wanna fuck with you. So what's up, huh? Shorty, sup with you. Looking like that, you don't know what you do. Crushing so hard, might be in love with you. On my bully shit, wanna fuck with you. So what's up, huh? Shorty, sup with you.
Oh, I'm scared of walking out of this room and never feeling the rest of my whole life the way I feel when I'm with you.
You know how I feel about you. Everything is real about you. Now I can't live without you. Looking in your eyes give me shivers. Connecting deep in rivers with fish meeting the swimmers. Laugh at my jokes and I laugh at yours. You my future, why would I backtrack for? Got down on my knee, about to offer my life. Wanna call you my wife, always thought you was nice. Ring around the rosy, pardon the ice, it cut deep, even sharper than knives, we vibe out. Teammates, never will it be a timeout. Nobody get hit, no time for the file out. Apple of my eye, pulse in my veins, happy you're alive. We grow through the pain, I know you my name. Pray with me and stay with me. I'll do the same till I'm laid in the grave, Minnie. We together in the great city. How could anybody hate Mickey? And what we got together is the best, and I'll do that until I'm laid to rest. Fact.
What's up with you? I'm just trying to know what's up. Love it when you on the flow, don't mean on the clock serving. I see the signs, only sign they see is no disturbing. Real shit, only spitting facts like I'm rapping Mickey. Need me there, I'ma come fast. That is not a quickie, nothing over you not being selfish when I say but me. What you want, I cop what you like. They just cop a plea, this is something light. And you was something right, we could do something right. 100-mile dash, shorty with me for the long run. But I only say I love her when I'm on one. And she acts so that money is a must. If my baby riding with me, who the fuck need Lady Luck? Man, she don't ever make shit difficult. I know bitches mad that she cuff me like a criminal. This love is serious, nothing compares to this hair. When we fuck, she hear high notes, music to my ears.
Looking like that, you don't know what you do. Crushing so hard, might be in love with you. On my bully shit, wanna fuck with you. So what's up, huh? Shorty, sup with you. Looking like that, you don't know what you do. Crushing so hard, might be in love with you. On my bully shit, wanna fuck with you. So what's up, huh? Shorty, sup with you.
I ain't Mickey, but a nigga tryna stay facts. I ain't concerned about the front and on the back. I change your life and your perspective, how you look at the times behind us. We can't rewind them. We living in a moment where we rockin' designer. In another dimension where we feeling much finer. Tryna live it like there ain't no fucking thing as a timer. Traveling to España like we working for Contra. I ain't mean to sound like I was selling out. It's hard for me to show you what a nigga really bout when I've been popping no prescription, but I'm trying to fill you out like the doctor coming in. Ain't no good news coming out. I don't know what you've been told and I don't know what you've been heard, but I'm fucking with your vibe and the way you use your words and your curves, leaving niggas with a fucking loss of words. So what's up with you? cause a nigga tryna burn. Now you got that fire.
Looking like that, you don't know what you do. Crushing so hard, might be in love with you. On my bully shit, wanna fuck with you. So what's up, huh? Shorty's up with you. Looking like that, you don't know what you do. Crushing so hard, might be in love with you. On my bully shit, wanna fuck with you. So what's up, huh? Shorty's up with you.
Who's gonna make the first move? Who's gonna make